Roll camera and action!
So this is my first shot. Because of this, the light gets reflected on the face. This is the property that's going to be handed over to Google. So what's happening today is that I'm going to be a corporate employee and showing the office infrastructure, etc. We're here to do makeup. Turns out, place where I used to punch in, now I had to go for makeup. So I'm actually shooting for Bagmani Tech Park, and this is the property that's going to be handed over to Google. So we are here in the meeting room, apparently, but we're doing makeup. So the reason makeup is being done in modeling industry is because when the light comes off the camera and it reflects from the face, if you see right now, see my face is shining. So the idea of makeup is to avoid any reflections on the face so that the face tone is uniform. So this is my post makeup look. Looks very nice. Thank you. We had to go to another location in a different car. So this is the car, that is the crew. It's already hot, my makeup is already going away. It's really like crazy hot. This gives Californian vibe. This is the first set. She's the director, she's a little angry because we were late. But that's what happens, that's the set. She has a particular extra monitor where she sees all the display. And that's where the action is. That's where the action is happening, and this is like the first place where we will be shooting. So this is my first shot where I'm looking at the building, something like that. This is the team. He is the person who is reflecting. Because of this, the light gets reflected on the face so that it looks like, see, as if I'm in the snow right now. Right now there is nothing. So all of these have to be used so that the shot comes properly as it's imagined to be. Because of the hard work of everyone here is what results in a particular shot. So we have Mr. Jamal and Mr. Ram who are helping me with this so that the light reflects back. What they're doing is they're shooting a corporate film, which this is happening for the first time in 27 years. That making the entire document, not documented, like a short film of the entire infrastructure they have and what are the services they have. So the last shot is in the 11th floor, and this floor is all based on superheroes. I'm not sure who that guy is. So this is the final shot where we have the entire team here. So I'm giving some presentation. I'm not sure. We'll have to talk about something, preferably health, right? And of course, while I'm standing, please ask me a question. Any progress you want, if you want to excel in any phase of your life, at the end of the day, it's a decision that you make. So whether that's pressing a button or saying yes or making a decision, anything. So the better the cognitive abilities you have, the better the decision you can make, the better you can get ahead in your life. So the shoot is completed. It's a backup. The last shot was really amazing. It was lovely. So I had to deliver, I was doing the meeting and stuff. So I think you will see the playback here also. Every take they did, I asked them to ask me a question about fitness. What is it that you want to know? It was like a rapid fire question, but long answer type. So this is where I have tons and tons and tons of memories here. I've spent almost 5-6 years in these seats. I used to come to office at 4 o'clock for Australian shift. For American, I would come at 9 o'clock in the evening. And then I think New Zealand or something, I would come at 1 o'clock. So I have worked across all the shifts. And so the shoot is completed, and the crew is leaving now, and I'm also leaving. But so for the shoot was really amazing. I hope you guys liked the video. And if you liked it, so consider liking, sharing, and subscribing, right? You also give thumbs up, so everyone give thumbs up.
Thumbs up.